Hey guys, it's Kay. Today I'm going to be looking at what in my opinion are the best streaming devices of 2018. So without further ado, let's get started. The Roku Streaming Stick Plus will get 4K HDR video up on your screen very inexpensively. It has had a small redesign. Roku's main change is that the wireless receiver is now built into the power cable, which on most TVs will run from your spare USB port rather than plugging it into the main socket. The new design provides up to 4 times the performance according to Roku, so that could be useful if your room doesn't have a good Wi-Fi signal. Setup is pretty simple, although you'll still need a Roku account to connect to the Streaming Stick Plus. There's also a new remote that comes with the Streaming Stick Plus. You get some shortcut buttons to services like Netflix, and it doesn't need line of sight to work, which is great. Roku has also added power and volume buttons which can be used to control most TVs. The Streaming Stick Plus can stream content up to 2160p and 60 frames per second, and can also upscale from 720 and 1080p. It also supports HDR10, which is high dynamic range, for better picture quality including colours. The Chromecast Ultra is quite similar in design to the standard version. Unlike previous generations, the Chromecast Ultra is only available in black and resembles a small hockey puck. Other things in the box are the power cable and the power adapter that also has a handy Ethernet port on it. The Chromecast Ultra supports up to 4K Ultra HD resolution streaming. It is also HDR compatible, meaning on a 4K HDR TV you will get some decent quality streams running. It also works up to 1080p on non-4K TVs. You'll be glad to hear it supports the latest wireless capabilities of 802.11ac, the most advanced form of Wi-Fi, at 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz for the best possible wireless performance. You can stream from any Android device running Android 4.4 and higher, any Apple device running iOS 8 and higher, any Mac or MacBook running OS X 10.9 and higher, and any Windows device running Windows 7 or higher. The Fire TV Cube has the full microphone array of the Echo with a new design. Basically, the cube is square. It's shiny with sharp edges and 4 physical buttons on its matte black top. There's an LED strip that runs across the top of the cube's face, which lights up blue when you're talking to Alexa. On the back of the box there are ports for HDMI, micro USB and an IR extender. It doesn't ship with an HDMI cable, though it does come with an Ethernet adapter. The cube runs on an Amlogic quad-core 1.5 GHz processor and a Mali 450 MP3 GPU. The same family of chipsets that powers some of the Android TV boxes. It supports 60Hz 4K HDR10 and not forgetting Dolby Atmos. The new Nvidia Shield TV only comes with a single storage option, which is 16GB, which can be extended only via USB storage, while the first gen device came with a microSD card slot for users to increase the base storage. But it does feature 4K HDR support, which provides incredible detail and smooth 60 frames per second video playback from the likes of Amazon Prime Video and Netflix, but only for those who have a HDR enabled TV. It's powered by Nvidia's own Tegra X1 processor, which Nvidia say is 3 times more powerful than any other media streamer. Coupled with a 256 core CPU and 3GB of RAM, the Shield is responsive whether it's being used to stream the latest series on Netflix or play the latest Android games via the Google Play. Nvidia have also added support for the revamped GeForce Now service, which allows you to stream games that you already own on a PC and play them through the Shield TV, rendered in the cloud by Nvidia's high-spec servers. In summary, the Nvidia Shield TV is one of the most powerful, capable 4K HDR-enabled media streamers, and with the combination of GeForce Now and local game streaming in 4K, it's the best option on the market for gamers. So guys, that's the list of my favourite 4K HDR streamers. Let me know in the comments what yours are, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.